Are you thinking of moving your investments to or from Ally Invest, but you're not sure how? Transferring an account can seem like a daunting process, with all the paperwork and potential fees. But I'm here to tell you it's simpler than you might think. We're going to break down the process step by step so you can make the move with confidence. When it comes to moving your entire investment portfolio, the key is understanding something called an attached transfer. That's the automated customer account transfer service. It's an electronic system that moves your securities from one brokerage to another. Think of it like a digital moving van for your investments. If you're moving your assets to Ally Invest, the good news is that they do most of the heavy lifting. You'll initiate the transfer from the Ally Invest website. You'll need some basic information about your old account, like the account number and the name of the firm. You'll also likely need to upload a recent statement. Ally Invest will then contact your old firm to request the transfer. This process usually takes about 5 to 7 business days, though it can vary. A big perk is that Ally Invest offers a transfer fee credit of up to $75 if you transfer an account of $2,500 or more. Now, what about transferring out of Ally Invest? The process is a little different because you initiate the transfer from the receiving brokerage. So, you'll go to the new brokerage's website, find their account transfer section, and fill out their forms. You'll need your Ally Invest account information, and the new firm will handle the rest. Just a heads up, Ally Invest does charge a $50 fee for a full or partial attached transfer out. A few quick tips to make the process go smoothly. First, make sure the name on your accounts is an exact match. Any discrepancies can cause delays. Second, check to see if your new firm supports all the assets you hold. Some proprietary products or less common securities might not be transferable. And finally, keep an eye on your email for updates from both firms. They'll let you know if there's a problem with the transfer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.